All right, hey, Mr. Fritz here. Now, you already learned how to make a T-chart in our last video. This one is going to do with how to make a bar graph. So let's say you looked at your T-chart and you had a words versus numbers and you go, yep, I'm making a bar graph and I want to make a good one. So what's the very first thing you have to do? Number one, if you see on the bottom left here, is a title. Every graph needs a title. And the title should be something about the effect that the manipulated variable has on the responding variable. So we're going to use the example of students' favorite sodas. Remember, we manipulated what type of sodas we asked, and then the response, raising your hand, what kind of soda did those people like? So that's number one. Number two is you have to label, okay, the X and Y axes. So let's look at this graph here. Okay, you're going to label the X and Y axes. If you look here, the number one thing we had to do was make a title. So we have a title on the top there, students' favorite sodas, okay? The labels, here's what we do. I make an X. If I squish it, it goes flat, okay? So I always say X comes before Y, okay, in the alphabet. And if I squish the X flat, well, on my T chart, I'd say that's the X. On the right is the Y. So the X is going to be your words, your favorite soda. That's your manipulated variable, always on the bottom. Okay, so we have our soda brands on the bottom, X, that's our title. On the responding variable on the left side is called the number of people because the numbers was our responding variable. That's the second step in making a bar graph. Okay, and I'm basing it off my T chart that's right here. The third step now, you have to put your numbers and labels. Okay. So I still have all my numbers here. Let's look at the number of people, okay? I look at what's my biggest number, and I look at on my T chart here, I'll scoot this down, I have 12 Pepsi, 20 Coke, 14 Dew, and 8 7-Up. What's my biggest number? 20. And I have to tell you, numbers always, 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 always go on the line here, okay? They always line up. See how that 20 is on line, 18's on line? You take the number, you start your number, bottom is at 0, okay? When you're counting up on the y-axis. You count how many lines you have. So I go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines, okay? So your range is 0 up to, well, what's my biggest number? 20. So I go, okay, I take my biggest number of people who said they like that soda, divide by the number of lines, which is 10. What am I going to count by? Well, 20 divided by 10, that means I count by 2's on the left. It's really that simple. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, all the way to 20. Okay? What do I do about the X, though? How do I know how wide the bars are? To be a proper fair graph, okay, to be a proper fair graph, number 4, you have to make the bars neat. And you have to make equal spacing. So you count the number of variables. We had Pepsi, Coke, Mountain Dew, 7-Up. Those are the 4, okay? We see how many spaces we have. Well, words go on the blocks. Numbers go on the line. Words go on the block. Okay, so let's see how many variables I have. Well, spaces, 4 variables, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. Okay, well, if I have 8 blocks divided by my 4 variables, each variable gets 2 blocks wide. Okay, if one variable only gets 1 block and one variable gets like 3, that's a misleading graph. We have to make really good graphs, so we're going to make them proper. So each word gets 2 blocks wide, boom, 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 and each bar should be 2 spaces wide. The very last step is you have to make your bars neat. So how would I make my bar? Really basic. I would take my Pepsi, okay, and then I would go up to the 12 and color in 2 bars wide up to the 12 exactly. I would do that for each of them, and you can compare. On your notes, I want to challenge you to fill in your bar graph. Okay, fill that in. The next tutorial now, we know how to make a bar graph. Get prepared how to make a line graph.